Imagine trying to understand a language you've never heard before. No grammar, no words, just sound. That's exactly what large language models face. They don't read full sentences like humans do. Instead, they break everything down into tiny pieces, tokens. These tokens are the secret alphabet of AI. They decide what the model sees, how it thinks, how creative it becomes, and even how much you pay for an API call. Welcome to Clythera Vox. Today, we explore tokenization, the invisible engine behind every AI model you've ever used. What is a token? A token is a chunk of text. It can be a full word, part of a word, a punctuation, a space, a symbol. Humans see a sentence. A model might see, that's 8 tokens. To the model, that is its understanding of the sentence. Tokens are the units that LLMs use to read, write, predict, and understand. Why tokens exist: efficiency and prediction. Why not treat the whole sentence as a single block? Because that would require too many parameters, too much memory, too many possible combinations, zero generalization. Instead, tokenization lets models learn patterns across words, predict the next likely chunk, understand relationships like prefixes, suffixes, compress meaning into manageable pieces. It's the same trick humans use when reading unfamiliar words: break them down into syllables. Byte Pair Encoding explained simply. Most modern LLMs use variants of BPE or sentence piece. Here's the intuitive version. Start with individual characters. Find the 2 characters that appear together the most. Merge them. Repeat this thousands of times. Eventually, the algorithm creates a vocabulary of tokens that represent frequently occurring chunks. This is how models learn efficient subword units. Real-world example. How many tokens is this? Sentence. Tokenization is the secret language of AI models. Token counts vary depending on the tokenizer. OpenAI's GPT tokenizer, approximately 8 to 10 tokens. Llama tokenizer, slightly different. Sentence piece. May split words like language into smaller chunks. AI doesn't read your sentence. It reads tokens. Every token becomes a number. Every number becomes a pattern. And that's how AI understands your words. Impact of tokens on cost, speed, and memory. Cost. Every API call is billed per token. Example. Prompt, 300 tokens. Response, 400 tokens. Total, 700 tokens billed. Speed, more tokens, slower inference. Model quality, large context windows. Models can handle more tokens, better reasoning. Prompt engineering, better token efficiency, shorter prompts, cheaper, faster, clearer results. Sometimes shorter prompts produce better results simply because they're cleaner. Tokenization mistakes people don't realize they make. Emojis count as multiple tokens. Hyphenated words split oddly. Foreign languages expand token counts. Very long numbers explode the count. Repetitive text is cheap for compressing and cheap for tokenizers. Why tokenization matters for the future of AI. Tokenization is becoming more advanced, models moving toward character-level tokenization, multimodal tokenization for images, audio, video, larger vocabularies enabling better multilingual handling. Potential future: no tokenization at all, pure continuous representations. Every sentence you type becomes a trail of tokens. Those tokens become predictions. Those predictions become ideas. And those ideas, they shape the future. Don't forget to follow us. See you in the next one.